There we go. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. Good evening. Are you ready for some GT3 action? I hope I'm ready. And as you can hear, ManSge is going crazy at Watkins Glen.
Nope. Oopsie.
Holy potato, holy banana, holy shitsickles, holy apples. Alrighty. Danny! Whoo! Good. Just one effing race. Are you on mobile? Yes, I think just one race because I had to work longer than I should. Normally I wanted to start at 8 with the GT3 race, but yeah. Didn't work, actually. Alrighty. Let's check the temperatures. 35! Oh boy. That's actually pretty good. Pretty good. Daisy.
It's swollen on it.
Oops. BMW. Yes. BMW. Hey Shane! What's up, Shane? Shane!
User joined.
Goede.
Goede.
Goede. Orde! Monster, P2. Hi. Trucks, P2. Trucks. Du drives truck smart. Bitte. Net!
Oh. How's JP's race going? Still somewhere in nowhere? Oh. Oh ja! Es ist sogar sehr warm hier. Just call me Ramsey O. What's up, dude? What BMW Almisin Tabi Chikmats? Okay.
Goodbye, Eduardo. Sí, señor. Putazo.
I'm trying a new setup. Erp. no. Okay. Don't make me unfold. Okay, I try. Ramco. Was that right? So, let's check what's the difference. Okay, zero wing.